Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going through chapter 3 on polynomial and rational functions, and we're in section 5 going over dividing polynomials. In this video we're covering number 45, which says use the graph of the third degree polynomial and one factor to write the factored form of the polynomial suggested by the graph. The leading coefficient is 1. So this part here, the leading coefficient being 1, what that tells us is in our general form of f of x equals a times all of our polynomials here, this a, which is usually our stretching factor, is going to be equal to 1, so we don't need to worry about it. So we're given our factor x squared plus 2x plus 4, and we're given this graph. So we know that f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 4, and we're looking for one more factor to make this a third degree polynomial. Now we're going to look at our graph and we want to see where we have our zeros. So we see that the graph crosses the x-axis at 1. So we have our root at x equals 1. So then in order to transform this into one of these polynomials in x minus h, we're going to subtract subtract 1 and we get x minus 1. And we multiply that to the factor that we're given. And we come up with the answer, f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 4, quantity times x minus 1. That's the answer. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts we covered in this video are true no matter what pre-calculus class you take, and the examples I cover are from this textbook right here. And remember, if you're a Baylor student currently enrolled, there is free tutoring on the first floor of Sidrich. You can create a one-on-one appointment online or drop in anytime during our business hours. Please visit our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring, for more details. Sic 'em Bears.